Have you ever wondered when to use much, many, or a lot of? Don't worry, today I will make it super simple for you. By the end of this video, you will never confuse them again. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Talks. If you are new here, I will help you learn English in an easy way. Today, we will learn how to use much, many, and a lot of correctly in just 5 steps. These are super common in English daily, but many learners use them in the wrong place. Let's fix that today. Step 1. Countable versus uncountable nouns. In English, some nouns are countable. We can count them. For example, apples, chairs, books. Other nouns are uncountable. We cannot count them. For example, water, money, sugar. For example, countable, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and for uncountable, water. We cannot say 2 waters. This difference is very important because much and many depend on it. Step 2. How to use much. Use much with uncountable nouns, usually in negative sentences and questions. For example, I don't have much money, or there isn't much water in the bottle, or how much sugar do you want? Step 3. How to use many. Use many with countable nouns. Again, usually in negatives and questions. For example, I don't have many friends, or there aren't many apples on the table, or how many chairs are in the room. Step 4. How to use a lot of. Good news, a lot of is simple. You can use it with both countable and uncountable nouns, and it's most common in positive sentences. For example, I have a lot of friends. It's countable. Or she has a lot of money. It's uncountable. There are a lot of cars in the street. In spoken English, we usually prefer a lot of instead of much or many in positive sentences because it sounds more natural. Step 5. Common mistakes. Here are some very common mistakes. I have much friends is wrong. I have many friends, or I have a lot of friends is correct. There are much people here is wrong. There are many people here is correct. I have many money is wrong. I have much money, or I have a lot of money is correct. Now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with much, many, or a lot of. Great! If this lesson was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next video.